Hello everybody, welcome back to Kane Stuff. Today we're doing a tutorial on Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So once you created a new document and you're in this screen right here, we're gonna go over this by telling you what each button does and stuff. So first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna write some test text. So let's just say there. So now that we have that statement there, go over all this. So first we have this paste button. So let's just say if we do that, and let's just say we wanted to do that several more times, so you didn't want to do it, you can either press enter, you can go to a new line, press Control V, or you can press the paste button. And as you can see there, don't want to do it too many times or it'll freeze. Now we're back into here. So that's how you do the paste. Now we're in this font section. So to change a font, what you're going to do is that you're going to highlight what you want to change. And then you're going to go to, you want to right click it, or you can also go up to here and click what font you want. And now it's like that. And now since it's set to that, everything you type after that will be like that. Psych. Actually go up here and so now it'll work. And then you have the sizes, which work in the same way. Oh, see? So so delete all this text. So how you're going to do that is you're going to press Control Z and that will undo. Now we're going to change size to 25 maybe. Makes that text bigger. These just do it in one size increments, I believe. Or then it goes down to 2 and stuff. And then you have your change case. And then you can have toggle case. And then you can any way you want. You can clear all formatting, which would just bring everything back to normal. You have bold, make text bold, italics, and underline. And then you have some more options like lines underneath. Maybe you want to emphasize something like don't, you can. So now it stands out a lot. Now you have text effects. Let's just say, and I'll change that. And there's a bunch more text and stuff later. So let's just say we wanted to highlight some of it or underline using this. And you can also change the colors of them by pressing the down arrow, or change how you want it to be like. So now we have these menus right here under the paragraph section. And you have your formatting. So you have a line left, center, a line right, and justify. You also have bullets. So and every time you press enter, it will do that. And then you also have a numbered list. And like that. And let me just like that. And this will all, you can also indent stuff. You'll insert text and the paragraph symbol. And that's pretty much there for this. And these are styles for your texts. And yeah. And you have voice dictation and editing. Now we're going to go to the insert section. So here we can insert a cover page. So maybe we want to insert that. So, like, and then you have all this stuff. And you can do it. And like that. And there's tons you can do. And once you go over here, you can insert blank pages and page breaks. And then you can also create a table. And like that, you can write down, looks like this. Then you can change the cells in the design when you're in it. You have pictures which you can take from your desktop like this. You can go browse over to them, navigate, and then you can find it. Say if I wanted to insert this, boom. Kind of messed up the table because I was inserting it to the table. So now back in the insert menu, you have online pictures. So let's look up dog, maybe, once it starts loading. And so you say create a commons only, so you can use these. So let's just say I like this picture and I want to insert it. You can press that. And it'll load right in. And now some other things we can do is insert shapes like squares. And then you can go over here in design, do that all. You can insert icons, 3D models. Now, this is kind of weird because I don't have any 3D models, so I can't really show you it. And smart art, so I can show you this though. There's a bunch that you can put in. Press OK. And say. Once you get all of this, you see it makes a sign like that. And you can shrink it if you want. If you want to make it smaller or bigger. So I just got rid of that there. And then you can add charts and screenshots. Pretty self-explanatory. Then you have document item, in which you can find and reuse parts of your document within your organization. So then you can get add-ins and my add-ins. We won't be going over that today. And then we can also insert online videos. And then you can go and search. Just say if we want to insert that one. And then it will play in the document. And you can also insert links, bookmark some areas, and cross-reference. You can add comments and then headers. So, top of your page, you can do that. And you can also put footers, which is the same thing but at the bottom of the page. And you can add page numbers. And then you can add text box like this for a sidebar, whatever. So, like that. And then these are all just things that go with that, like word art and other things. So now over in the draw, these are just pens and stuff. They can draw all over the document by pressing draw and then picking your color. And draw all over the place after. And then ink to math. You can insert that. Plus 5 equals 10. And then you have a bunch of designs, so you can just click some and play around going over this. And you have layouts, which you can change the orientation of your pages to like sideways. And then you can change the sizes, the margins and the columns, also the breaks. You can also change the indents and the spacings. And then you can change the position and things for things. Like here we can press over here in the layout, and you can say send backwards. Now it should send to the back, but it's already in the back now. And then we go to references. This is all just things that help you with writing. So you can like look up things, insert footnotes, captions, and a bunch of other things. Mailings. This is like envelopes, labels, stuff. So if we click on envelopes, load a bit. So this is like addresses and stuff, so we can print envelopes and everything. And under the review section, we have all a bunch of this, which is all like pretty self-explanatory and everything. And you have translate languages, read aloud, check accessibility, which ours will be terrible. There. And then you have spelling and grammar, word count, thesaurus, and a lot of other things. And the view is how you view it in here, so it's not really important making a document. And then you have help. And this is Grammarly's an add-on, so we won't be going over all that today. So that's basically it for Word. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and subscribe to Kane Stuff. Goodbye.